In this small city lies a hidden beauty. Its vast mangrove forests are the world's oxygen factory, rich in biodiversity, and a place to earn a living for the local community. This mangrove forest is truly amazing, refreshing, but also challenging. No matter how you explore, this forest always provides something more. Feel the environment and capture your best moment. With an area of 6,000 hectares and home to around 28 mangrove species, making it the most diverse mangrove forest in Indonesia and the largest in Southeast Asia. Meet some mammals. And if you're lucky, you can see flocks of birds perched in the trees. Rent a boat and head to the west side of the city, because an island is waiting to fulfill your itinerary. Its city forest is easy to access, a great place to enjoy the day and let your burdens fall away. If you're curious about their history, learn from the collection in the museum that is full of story. And when you need a place to hang out, you can easily find a good space for that. This is Langsa, a city that offers a different side of beauty.